Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Find X3 Pro to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both. Then download free app called Send Anywhere. And when it's ready, open it. Following that, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in Wait pop-up at the top. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. And also on an Android, scroll down just a bit and click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. You can select Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and go back to OPPO. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select all of your files that you wish to transfer. After that, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, just tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!